What's up, guys? We're back here again, doing a little reattempt at this YouTube because I took a little break. So now what we will be doing is once a week episodes. I don't know how often they're gonna drop, but we're gonna record once a week and just spend a Friday with me. Usually a Friday is like the recap of all the work, and it's just like the end of the seeds that I planted on Monday or the week before. So it's a good day to wrap up and for you to catch up. Today we got pick up some clothes, some hats and things like that, run some errands, just go out there and have some fun. So we'll see you out there. Let's get it. About 4:15. All right. No rush, man. Take your time. I just need it today. I need it today, though.
I know who's there at the door right now. If you don't open it, how we gon' keep eating?
We're at the dye house. About to go pick up some fabric. Low key, I've been stressing out about some of this fabric because Shea Gilgis Alexander made an order, and I ain't got his shit yet. Cutting sew, dyeing your own stuff, just ways that you can get closer and like really actually work on your stuff. You can't pick your own color if it's a pre-made thing. You can't pick your own shape if it's pre-made. So this just allows me to feel closer to the clothes and build relationships with people. Sometimes you see some crazy shit in here, like Marvel getting their shit done, or just like different brands, Rihanna, Fenty getting shit done. And you're like, oh shit, I'm where I'm supposed to be. So just feels good. Just trying to get back some magic. Pro tip, keep your receipts. This is gonna get tax money back and stuff. I haven't done taxes on it yet, but you know, we just started making money. Someone told me keep your receipts, you gotta show that you're paying, you know what I'm saying? Little bag. We're gonna go see Miss Kim now. She's the one who turns the fabric into clothes. She's the one who does the sewing for me. She's the one who's also got me lacking right now. Hello. Do you still think I'm gonna be able to pick up the pants today with the zigzag stitch? 5 o'clock? What about 4 o'clock? What about 4:15? All right. No rush, man. Take your time. I just need it today. I need it today, though. Yeah, sure. Please. Yes. God damn. I work harder than all these motherfuckers, dog. I swear, if they needed me to do what they do for work, it would be done yesterday. That's crazy. Fuck. These motherfuckers is always okay. 5 p.m. on my hats. I just put a little zigzag on the fucking pant, dude. Oh, we just got in. You just got in. It's 12:25. You open at 9:30, dog. Your husband been there since 9:30 though, cause he got his ass up for work. You lollygag, you playing around, playing with me. All right, let's get up out of here, man. They got me fucked up. Fuck. So I gotta go pull up on Cecilio too. I gotta pull up on Cecilio. That's crazy.
I could get rich any day. Okay. I tell that how to slide and put all the feelings away. Okay. You feel like suicide is the only way you can escape. Okay. You're gonna see better days. I promise it's gonna be okay.
Kim, I just came to drop off the fabric for the black t-shirts, and I will text you the sizes.
Okay. And August,
Yes, ma'am.
I think short sleeve t-shirts and one large hoodie might be.
Yes, ma'am. I got it right here. Thank you so much.
Okay. You can take them.
Thank you.
Don't worry, I'm gonna do the best and quickly, maybe tonight.
Okay.
Next week.
Okay, I'll see you. I'll see you soon. Thank you. Damn, shit's lit. Hey. Great news right there. We finna ship some shit. Damn. I might just go handle fucking shipping. God damn, I needed that. Okay, Miss Kim for the W. So many orders I can fulfill now. That's crazy. It's on the way, people. We finna drop some shit now. It's crazy. We finna drop some shit now. I got some shit on the way now.
I'm something I had to play, yeah. Yeah, they tryna stack up his cake, yeah. Any honey, baby, that's my kind of day, yeah. They telling on me, but it's too late now.
My man Cecilio came through with the passport shirt. Just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek of what's coming next. You know what I mean? Guess that'll be one of the perks of being a subscriber to my YouTube. You get to see new items and what's coming next and just a part of my day. My man's gotta go, so this is gonna be the outro. To see you later. You don't get to see the whole day. You don't get to see what else, but it's a lot of the same. We're gonna keep cooking, and guess you'll just find out next week. See you later.
I knew Shorty was a thotty.